So recently I asked you guys what you wanted to see in the next horror game kit update. I got a ton of different responses, but the most commented one was adding item pickups to the horror kit. Before we start the video, I just want to ask if you could please like and subscribe, as it greatly helps with the channel and we are so close to 3,000 subscribers. Anyways, let's get on with the video. Okay, so we are in studio and a lot of the comments that you guys were saying was, how do I get the keys or the coin pickups or whatever pickups you have to be in the drawer, so when you open and close it, they stay inside the drawer. So how we're going to do this, first things first, we're going to create a new folder inside of replicated storage, and we will just name it tools, just like that. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take these two keys and we're going to duplicate both of them like this. We're going to highlight both of them, click Control D and drag them away. Then we'll take the two original ones and we'll put them inside of that tools folder that we just made. Now we are left with the two duplicated keys. What we're going to do is we're going to take the handles out of each of them and bring it just inside of workspace, just like that. So then you can delete the tool, and then we'll do the same thing with the red key, take the handle out, put it in workspace, and then delete the key tool. So now you're left with two key handles in workspace. You can name these whatever you want. You can name this yellow key pickup, and then you can name this one, I don't know, red key pickup, just like that. And then we're going to start scripting them. And one thing I forgot to mention, make sure the keys in the tools folder are named differently. So as you can see, I have red key and yellow key. Make sure they both don't just say key. And the next thing we can do is insert a normal script into the yellow key pickup. We are then going to write the following code inside of the script. Once we have that written inside of the script, we are then going to insert a new proximity prompt inside of the yellow key pickup. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and open the table with drawer model, and we're going to insert the yellow key pickup inside of that drawer model. And then we're going to drag it down to where we want it to be positioned inside of the drawer. And the last step is just to go ahead and weld that yellow key pickup to the base of the drawer. And now if you go ahead and open the drawer, you can see that the key is always in the drawer and you can only interact with it when the drawer is open. When you pick it up, you can unlock the door with it and continue on with the game. Repeat that process with any other items you want stored inside drawers. Anyways, that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please, on your way out, consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that like button. If you have any questions or concerns with what I went over or the kit, make sure you join my Discord server, either linked in the description or the pinned comment. I have great staff, and everyone in there tries to help you with any bugs or errors that you might come across. That's all for today's video. Chase your dreams, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one.